In another managerial question on the bestmba.org platform. And let's click here to see this question. Okay, the question is fixed cost per unit increases as activity increases, decreases as activity increases, stays the same, or first increases then decreases. Which one do you think is right? Let's say this is A, B, C, and D. So now stop this video, write in the comments which is your option, A, B, C, or D. Click like and then click play again in order to see the right answer. Okay, so I will choose decreases as activity increases. Let's click and let's see. Okay, it seems it is right. Let's see. Yeah, decreases as activity increases. Okay, why? Why is this? Okay, we are talking about fixed cost per unit. Okay, so if you check what is fixed cost per unit, is simply the total fixed cost divided by the total number of units produced, right? So the more units you produce, you will be dividing into a bigger number, so the fixed cost per unit will decrease, right? So this is the right answer. Okay, so the right answer was that decreases as activity increases. Okay, so let's go to another question in a new video. Bye bye.